Hello, my name is Jean-Denis. My main experience is in 4 sectors: in vitro diagnostic, pharmaceutical, privatization of water service, and in the last 12 years, life science. I have lived and worked in 10 different countries and had business responsibility over Africa, Middle East, Russia, Mexico, South America, and most of Europe. I speak French, English, German, and Spanish fluently, and I am keen to adapt. As you can imagine, sales, margin, market share, budget achievement, strategic planning, customer satisfaction, and team achievement have always been on my agenda. Let me now briefly cover 2 examples of my actions, one regarding the routes to market and the other one team management. In my last role of export director, Eastern Europe, Africa, and Middle East for life sciences, the routes to market indeed needed action. Our 60 distributors had been inherited from the past, and the opportunities were not addressed optimally. With the input of my product team, I changed the historic arrangement in due respect of the existing commitments, so it took some time, but this restructure has indeed been a key driver in doubling the export sales between 2008 and 2016. In particular, we went direct in Turkey and Poland and terminated the distributor there. In most other important markets, we appointed well-prepared in-country distributors instead of using regional ones. We met our objective to be as close as possible from the end users to better understand their needs and to increase both competitiveness and financial results. The other example is about leading my team in a tough environment, and this was during my before last role as managing director of a company providing the water service to 1/4 of Mexico City. Due to a job volume shortfall versus tender expectation, we experienced losses as of year 4 of the project, which the city resolved by a large one-off payment and by approving fair revised unit prices for the future. However, this solution was only agreed in year 9, after the presentation of a court case and a very complex negotiation process. Meanwhile, in the perspective of a likely closure of the company, cutting out more than 100 staff, maintaining the cohesion of the 170 remaining core staff and their drive to outperform competition, which the city recognized and appreciated very much, was indeed my most challenging task, together with the negotiation of the final outcome. In conclusion, staff can fight very hard for a good cause if the situation is well understood and if the mutual trust prevails in the team. Many thanks for your time. I hope that it was relevant to your needs, which I would be very pleased to discuss at your convenience.